Can ChatGPT correct itself? What happens when AI examines its own reply? In a previous video, we entered this ChatGPT query. We found several mistakes and inconsistencies in ChatGPT's reply. We concluded that ChatGPT is not yet reliable for teaching fluid mechanics. Now we follow up that video by asking, what happens if we ask ChatGPT to find errors or inconsistencies in its own answer? Let's join Professor Skeptic and his students in a Zoom session to find out.
Sir, what would happen if you copied ChatGPT's reply and asked it to find its own errors?
Yeah, glad you asked that, Mr. Bernoulli. It turns out that I actually did that very thing. I'll share my screen. Here's a screenshot of the new query. This part is ChatGPT's reply to the original query. I asked it to find the errors and inconsistencies in its own reply. I found lots of problems. First, it claims that its reply has some inconsistencies, but it never tells us what they are. Then it claims that its first reply is not entirely accurate. So let's find out why. It goes on to repeat its error from the earlier session, claiming that this equation is the continuity equation, which it is not. Then it claims that this conservation of mass equation in a duct is valid along a streamline. That's nonsense. Then it contradicts itself, saying it's not the mass flow rate. I can't even follow that sentence. It concludes that this paragraph could be revised, but it gives us no clue as to how.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. What did each of you learn from this little exercise?
Dude, I learned that artificial intelligence isn't always very intelligent, man.
I learned that ChatGPT can never replace a living professor like you, sir.
Yeah, of course not. I have decades of experience and a better brain than any computer. Yeah.
I learned that AI is good for faculty job security, sir. Merry Christmas, sir.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, bah humbug.
In summary, ChatGPT's reply to a simple fluids question had many errors. When we asked ChatGPT to find errors in its own reply, it gave back even more incorrect answers. It dug itself into a deeper hole. ChatGPT seems to be incapable of identifying its own mistakes. Instead, it makes them worse. Should students rely on ChatGPT to give sound answers to fluids queries? Only if they want to fail the course.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.
1, 2, 3.